Hey everyone, welcome back to Superset Sunday. Today's Superset is about the triceps. Your triceps make up nearly 2/3 of your upper arm. So if you want bigger arms, focus more on training your triceps. If you're training at home with just dumbbells and body weight, this one's for you.
We'll start the superset with floor dips. Start in a floor dip position with dumbbells behind your body and hands on one end of the dumbbell. Feet can be close or hip width apart out in front of your body, with legs parallel to the floor and knees slightly bent. Lift your butt off the floor and perform dips by lowering your body towards the ground. The most important part of the exercise is to keep the arms back behind the body. This allows a full contraction of the long head of the triceps. Perform 10 to 12 reps. Move straight into lying extensions. Start by keeping your upper arm slightly angled with elbows bent slightly. Bend your elbows and lower the dumbbells beyond the top of your head. Extend your arms by squeezing the triceps to the top of the movement. Keep the core tight throughout the movement. Always keep the arms slightly angled behind the head throughout the entire exercise. Do not bring the dumbbells all the way up until the arms are straight up over the body. You lose a lot of tension on the triceps by doing that. Because of the positioning of the arms, this superset targets the long head of the triceps, essential for that full thick look.
Try this superset after your push workout or arm day to really grow those triceps. I'll see you next Sunday with another superset.